Hey Stingy Dutch fans, how much money do you spend a month on paper towels? Well, I'm going to show you today on how to use household items to replace these. Saving money is great. We like that here at Stingy Dutch. Also, we're flushing the old growth forests of the world down our toilets and putting them in our garbage when we're using this, not to mention the chemicals that get washed into our rivers by making paper towels and paper products. Today, I'm going to show you how to take an old sheet, an old bed sheet, and turn it into paper towel substitutes that you can reuse over and over and save money. Here's what you're going to need. This little box opener, sharp knife, will help make it go a lot faster. You can do it with everyday scissors, and I use this at one stage, but I really recommend this for speed. So here we go. You take your old bed sheet, and you open it on up. What you're going to do is you're going to cut strips. Now I could take my scissors and I could cut strips in this, but it would take me a long time and my hands would get sore. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to anchor it with my foot, get a nice kind of tight pull on it there. I'm going to want strips that are about this wide, so I'm going to take my knife, I'm going to put it in right there, and I'm just going to pull it up. And now I'm not super tall, so I'm just going to come in there and meet that one right there. Finish this up, and I got most of the strip. I'm going to take this and be finished. Next time, I'm going to close that before I start moving around because that's not very smart. So I have a strip here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors to finish this up. I can cut that up into strips in no time. You can take multiple strips and kind of lay them on top of each other, but let's just look at making one little paper towel substitute right here. So here's one. You might get some little threads that hang off and you can get rid of those, no problem. I use these all the time. Wiping surfaces, sometimes as a little napkin while I'm just sitting there eating while I'm working or whatever it might be. We go through in our household very few paper towels now. We save money, we save the environment, it's all good. For Stingy Dutch, I'm Aaron. Take care, everybody.